Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to discuss the new fields that each product has in the Shopify section, along with how to create a template. So let's go ahead and edit a product. Now these changes are in every single product that you have, basically. So if you click on Shopify, there's a new section called Shopify. In this section, there are a few new fields such as the SKU, the barcode, the tags, the weight, the collections, and the status of active and draft. There's also options like the putting it to your online store or other sales channels. Then there is also the option to add variations, right? So these fields are also in every single template now. So templates are great for bulk edits. So here's one of my templates. It's a Shopify 1.0 template. Now templates also have the Shopify area with the exact same fields, except for the variation fields. Now you may be asking, where does the pricing reflect, right? So which price reflects my price on Shopify? So this is my product on Shopify, and it's priced at $292, right? So where is that price? That price is actually the target price. So if I change this to 300, let's say, and I click on Save Changes, this $300 price will now reflect right here once the changes are saved. So those are the new fields, along with the Compare at Price field that is in the price and stock section of every single product. There is a Compare at Price section, and also the same section applies in the Shopify template where we have the Compare at Price. So really, what do you need to do to enable your Fbmfox products to go into Shopify? Really, once you're authenticated, all you have to do is you have to go ahead and you have to select the sales channels as Shopify on. That's it. That's pretty much it, and your products are going to start going to Shopify. And that you can find that in your product section, and you can also find that in your template section. So those are the new fields that we've introduced for Shopify. And now let's talk about how to create a Shopify template. So if you want to create a template for Shopify, all you can do is click on Add, and then you can name your template something like Shopify template. You can give your template a default quantity, such as 5. You can change the condition to new, and then you can have a margin. So let's say I want a margin of 50%. That works. Then you can add a Compare at Price. So let's say I want to compare at price as $2,000. This is basically an optimization sort of price section where you can say, hey, you can find this product on the web at $2,000, but with us, it's actually much cheaper, right? That would be an example of where you would use it. Then you can have a Shopify header. You can call it whatever, and a Shopify footer. I'm just going to call it like, thank you, have a great day. And then here I can call it, thanks for visiting our store, something like that. Next, you just need to go to the Shopify section and add yourself a bunch of tags. So I can say like electronics, computers, anything you'd like, software, home, and garden. And these tags are separated by enter signs. You can also have a weight with a unit in kg, and then the status of your product. And I'm just going to go in the sales channel section and make sure that my Shopify via API is checked, and then just click on Save Changes. And now once that's done, that is my Shopify template. I can go ahead and apply this to my products by clicking Edit and changing the template right here. Or I could do a bulk action. So for everyone who's got more than one product here, which most likely you will, you can do a bulk action, go into Apply or Reapply Template, and then click Apply. Once you hit Apply, you can go into Shopify template, the one that I just created here, and then hit Save Changes. You'll immediately see that your target price is changed here on the software, and that will also reflect on Shopify. So now it shows that my target price is changed to $219, and it should also reflect on my Shopify settings. Along with the tags, they should be different also. So now you can see that my price is now different, my compare at price is different, and that is pretty much it. My weight is different. Essentially, that is it for how you can use Shopify with Fbmfox when it comes to templates and all the new fields that are added. In the coming video, we're going to talk about how you can use Fbmfox's bulk uploader to automatically upload thousands of products to Shopify. You have to get your template set up before we go into that. So if you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. It's a 7-day free trial and $29 a month after that. And you get all of these great things: listing to Facebook shops, Facebook Marketplace, Shopify, and product research, which is awesome. So we'll see you guys in the next video, and have a great one. Bye.